Yes, so let's try and git push what we've done so far. You remember we just created the nav and the landing page components. So let's try and do git push them. So I'm gonna simply say git add all, so that I'll add all of them up. So having added, I'm gonna say git commit, and I'm committing with the message. So I'm just gonna say that I created a feature navbar, though you know we did a couple of things. So I'm gonna say ft navbar. So that's what I'm gonna have, ft navbar. Ft, okay, no, I'm gonna have okay. I think it's better. Let me create a new brand. I just added that. Let me do git checkout b. So let me create this branch, git checkout branch navbar first. Good. So having created this branch now, so let me still add all to this branch. So let me now commit git commits, and I'm gonna be committing with the message feature, because I just created a feature and I'm gonna call it navbar. So navbar, that's what I created. So I'm gonna just say create navbar, then I press the enter key. I did a couple of things. I would like to get them here. So those things are create navbar component. Apart from that, we also created landing page component. So created navbar component and landing page component. So let me put create in front. So these are some of the things we did. What else did I do? I was also able to modify the app.js file. I did that. I also changed the title. So those are the things I did. And the creation of the navbar just started, because they are not complete. So I'm gonna just say starts, then I'm gonna make this commit. Good. So once the commit is made, I'm gonna push. So I'm gonna simply say git push. As you're pushing, I want you to be watching. You're pushing to origin ft navbar. That's the branch, ft navbar, ft navbar. So that's what I'm pushing to. So I'm gonna press the enter key. So once I press the enter key, this is gonna be pushed to the GitHub. So I'm gonna go to GitHub and make a pull request and get it to my GitHub so that we can continue. So we're gonna try to create the login page and the register page. Very important, two features. So those are the things that I'm gonna be doing next, because we are supposed to be able to log in. We are also the admin is also supposed to be able to register. So those are the things that are in our project requirements. So it's done pushing. So when I get back to my GitHub, you can see it is here already. So I click on compare pull request. So I'm gonna take out this. I'm gonna take out this. So I'm gonna click on create pull request. I'm gonna click on merge pull request and confirm merge. So once I click on confirm merge, it will be confirmed. And if I click on my Tclassified front end again, I should be able to see them here. So you see, it's very clear now. Everything is here already. So if I get to my SRC, I should be able to see the other files. Okay, so that is good now. So in subsequent classes, I'm gonna be creating the other the login page, the register page, and our website is gonna very quickly look like what we want. Okay, you can see inside the layouts folder, you can see that we have these two, app.js, app.css, and index.js. So our website is gradually looking like what we actually want it to look like. So please, if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, hit the subscribe button so that you always get whatever I give at the right time. I might not be able to share them on Facebook and other places, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon on in YouTube so that you get notifications anytime I release any video, so that you can follow up appropriately and do the needful. If you have any questions and concerns, always drop your questions in the comment section of the videos, so that I can always take care of them and other people can as well learn from them. So like, share my video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. God bless you.